Testing, 1, 2. All right, guys, today's the day. Something that I've been training for a long time, mentally. Right now, I'm just doing a little bit of meal prep. Just making some lunch, just some tacos. But just wanted to let it all out. So we're gonna be doing something a little bit different than our normal videos. This is a little bit more of a personal thing. Today we're gonna be starting 75 hard. If you don't know what 75 hard is, I recommend you go look at it. Andy Frisella, something that he created, and it's just something that I've really been mentally training for, which is kind of stupid in my opinion, because the idea of it is to just jump in and do it. In fact, two of my friends complete it. One is almost done with it right now. He's on the tail end of it. And then another one, John, did it a couple years back. When I first learned about it, I sent it to him, and he's like, I need this right now in my life, and he went ahead and did it. And it's hard. It was a lot of different things. There was there's 5 key elements, one of them being no drinking. Not saying that I'm an alcoholic, but sometimes it's hard not to have one drink when you're out with your friends, whatever the case may be. You have a rough day. So, but there's people that don't drink, they just don't do it. And it's not something you need. So I did do a little test run. I didn't drink for 30 days. So I'm like, all right, that wasn't so bad. I can do this. But anyway, it's all about timing. I think that it's all about timing. So I think that the right time is the right time. And Bill has inspired me. I've always commended people for doing it, but it's hard. I'm in business myself. Work's constantly crazy. Life is crazy. But there's no excuses. So I'm not making any more excuses. I'm in a pretty tough spot in my life. Just mentally. Everything else is great. Life is awesome. But I don't know. I need a shift up here. Feeling a little bit I say bored. It's hard to explain. I'm not going to get into too many details. We're actually going to do a podcast with Bill. Bill's going to be starting up his YouTube channel. We're going to be doing a podcast, so we're going to dive a little bit more into that kind of stuff on there. So if you're interested in that, head over to his page and check out, a little bit more deep dive into me. But basically, I'm going to document 75 hard every day. We're just going to go through it. So no more fucking around. Let's do it.